One of the things we hope to get out of this event is exposing people to all forms of indigenous cultures and artwork.
I think it's a beautiful and enlightening experience to see how our music is different, but in so many ways still the same.
Te mauria mai ngā taonga tukui ho rātou wā, ki runga i tēnei whenua, ai aha. E whakapiringa ngā kau, e koa ngā mā tātou katoa. Ko ngā mahi a rehia tēnā, ko ngā taonga o ene rau katauri tēnā, o te whakaero, ka mutu, ko ngā mahi tā moko.
Well, the alligator, he is more for survival. When the soldiers was chasing us down into the Everglades, and we got into these infested waters with the alligators, and that's one of the ways that we won the war, is through the alligators. The alligators will eat the soldiers. We honor it. You know, it's a big alligator, but it's also big money if you learn how to live with them. He will take care of you. It's an honor to meet Elder Mary. Them dancing is an awesome experience. It looks like the waves of the ocean. It's real beautiful. We believe on holding on to our roots, and here we are. If not, we blow away like a tumbleweed.
One of the most beautiful things that it is to come together as indigenous people from completely different sides of the world and be able to have this opportunity to exchange, to share with one another, and to build community internationally. Be able to have that exposure to understanding that not only are we traditional people, but we're modern people, and we carry our language, we carry our songs and our arts and our ways. We're proud and we're here today because of the resiliency that our ancestors instilled in us.